Okay. So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's good to see you again. I found there are how many people here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, there are a lot. There are about 20 people here. That's cool. Okay. Well, to start with, as usual, I want you to sudah bisa ada yang sudah bisa buka ini belum? Saya cek siapa aja yang bisa buka.
Sudah, Sir.
Oke, ya kira-kira 8 orang ya. Oke, cool. Yang lainnya bisa sambil diikuti. Nah, silakan as usual feel free to to circle or to cross the emoticons that describe your feeling. Silakan gambar atau tandain emoticon yang sesuai dengan feeling kalian hari ini. I'm feeling calm because I'm calm. This is me. What about you? Mukti is happy. Dita, you feel annoyed? Major not yet. Marcel feels happy. And then Diva happy. Dita, what's wrong with you? Are you okay? Were you feeling annoyed? Somebody hurts you? Ada yang menyakitimu? Siapa ini yang tanggung jawab ini?
Tiba-tiba ada yang nanya PR, Sir. Kesel.
Oh, alah. Marcel sedih. Alah, gak percaya saya Marcel sedih. Okay, let's start. Thank you, guys. Others, I hope you are well. Now, let's move. Berarti mulutnya yang gini. Okay. Now, this is the question. How was your weekend? How was your weekend? Now, to answer this question, bisa juga kalau yang mau record, boleh record audionya. Hari ini, like today, I feel my weekend was bad. So for this question, you can answer like the question is how was your weekend, right? Nah ini kan pakai kata was di sini. Berarti di sini kan dia nanya yang sudah lewat weekend minggu kemarin yang kemarin hari Sabtu minggunya weekendnya itu gimana? Was. Makanya di sini pakai was past tense. So for this one you can write like my weekend was, I don't know. If you think that your weekend was good, and then you can write good. If you think that your weekend was not good, no, just write not good. It's up to you. Now, Dita said the weekend was too ordinary. Others? Yang lain gimana? Yang lain? Come on. If you cannot type it here, you can just say it. Kalau enggak bisa langsung diomongin di sini. Dihidupkan mic-nya. Jangan di-mute. Okay. I think I got here. Cool. Next. Nah, let's start today with this stuff. Kalau yang tidak bisa ini, kalau mau, I mean, you go to quizzes, kemudian nanti akan masuk ke link ini seperti biasa. Nah, diganti namanya nanti di situ. Bisa? Nanti masuk ke quizisnya, kemudian diganti namanya. Let's start with this. Yang lain sudah masuk ke quizisnya, and then you can just start doing your own game. Nah, untuk ini, awake, ini kita ingat-ingat lagi kemarin kata kerja pertama, kedua, dan ketiganya. Awake, yang mana pasangannya? Awake is verb 1, verb 2, verb 3-nya apa? Can you guess? Or do you still remember? Awake. Screen saya kelihatan yang ini nggak? Halo, halo?
Tidak, sir.
Enggak, sir.
Oh iya.
Belum. Yang ada tulisan kutipnya.
Oh, oke. Let me.
Ya, betul.
Yang ini yang quiz bukan? Kelihatan? Yang awake? Yang awake?
Sudah, sir.
Ya. Nah, ini awake. Awake pakai apa? Let's just do it. Awake.
Awoke, awoken, sir.
Yeah, awake, awoke, awoken. So it's here. Kata kerja pertama awake, kata kerja kedua awoken. Become.
Became, sir.
Become, became. Yeah, cool. Began.
Began.
Began. Yeah. Next. Bite.
Bidden, sir.
Bite, bidden. Cost.
Cause.
Yeah, that is one. Cost. Dig.
Dig, duck.
Dig, duck. Yes. Cool. Draw.
Draw.
Yeah, drew, drawn. Drink.
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 Yeah. Yes. Fit.
Fat.
Gampang kan? Find.
Fine.
Found.
Find,
Tidak.
found.
Find, phone.
Fly.
Fly, flew,
Fly.
Five, phone.
Fly, flew,
Flew,
flown. Forget.
Forgotten.
Yeah,
Forget, forgotten.
Hear.
Hear, heard.
Heard.
Here.
No.
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 May.
Made.
Made. Read.
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 You also have say.
Say.
Shade.
Say. Take.
Take, took.
Yeah,
Took,
taken. Think.
Sing,
Think,
so.
Thought. Yang ini ya. Think, thought. Dan belum satu lagi. Right.
Written.
Right, wrote, written. Yeah, right, wrote, written. Cool. So, well done. Yes, you can do it. Okay, nice. Now, so today we learn about the present perfect tense. Kalau yang tadi pertama itu kan review pelajaran yang kemarin mengenai past tense, ya, penggunaan past tense untuk menunjukkan kegiatan yang di masa lalu. How was your day? How was your weekend? Dia kan menanyakan kejadian yang dulu. Therefore you put like simple past tense, sudah pakai my weekend, my day was good, was so, was okay. Nah, terus minggu lalu kita juga belajar penggunaan mengenai kata kerja pertama, kedua, dan ketiga, verb 1, 2, 3. Nah, hari ini we are studying about the use of present perfect tense penggunaan present perfect. Nah, untuk penggunaan present perfect akan berhubungan dengan kata kerja ketiga, dengan verb 3. Therefore, the learning objective is, I hope you understand the use of present perfect, and then at the end you can differentiate, you can see the difference between the past simple and present perfect. Because sometimes it's a little bit confusing. Kadang-kadang agak membingungkan, tapi saya harap dari sini kalian bisa paham penggunaan past simple dan present perfect. Now, another game. Kalau mau masuk, coba masuk di apa nih namanya? Coba quiz, join my quiz. Coba join my quiz, kemudian ketik kodenya atau ini. Juga bisa langsung masuk, atau sama-sama kita kerjain kayak yang tadi. Sama-sama aja kita kerjain kayak yang tadi ya. Nah, for this one, let's play about have you ever. Semuanya lihat di sininya aja kalau gitu. Have you ever. Nah, for this one, it's more into the conversation. Jadi kita main conversation. Nanti ada satu orang yang nanya, one person will give the questions and another one will answer the question. Siapa yang mau volunteer pertama? You guys want to be first volunteer? Siapa? Let's start with siapa ya? Mungkin dimulai dengan si Diva. Diva, you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Diva, you see the phrase like pick your nose. That's a question, right? Nah, karena kita belajar tentang have you ever, so you use the have you ever, nanti pakai kalimatnya ini, have you ever, diikuti dengan pick your nose. So, have you ever pick your nose, nanti choose one friend to answer the question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Diva, you got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, start.
Have you ever pick your nose?
No, have you ever,
Have you ever pick your nose?
you mention the name, namanya dulu siapa?
Dita.
Siapa?
Dita, sir.
Kita. You know, pick your nose, ngupil. Come on. Siapa tadi? Div?
Dita, sir. Dita.
Dita, come on, Dit.
Every day, sir. Every day I pick.
Dita, I mean, you answer the question like, yes or no, Dit. Pakai yes or no dulu. You yes or no. Kalau misalnya yes, kemudian ikutin kalimatnya dari awal. Saya pernah, I have ever. Gitu. Coba ulang. Coba
Ulang
Dit.
dari siapa, sir? Dari saya.
Ulang dari Dita yang jawab. Dita yang jawab.
Yes, I ever pick
I
my
have,
nose.
pakai ini nak. Ulang, pakai ini.
have.
I have ever.
Yes, I have. I
Ever.
have pick my nose.
Yeah, I have ever picked my nose. Oke, cool. Thank you, Dit. Sekarang Dita yang ambil. Dita yang baca ini. Nanti cari siapa yang jawab. Tunjukin dulu, pilih dulu orangnya. Pick the person.
Marcel.
Marcel, oke. Have you ever, Dit?
Cel, have you ever eat food that had fallen on the floor?
Eaten ya, Dit. Di sini pakai eaten, nak.
Oh yes,
Kalau
sir.
pakai eaten kan kata kerja ketiga. Have you ever eaten? Coba ulang.
Cel, have you ever eaten food that had fallen on the floor?
Nah,
Jawab ya.
Yes. Yes. I ever
I have. Tell, yes, I have.
eaten.
Yeah,
Yes,
yes, I have ever eaten.
Eaten
Eaten.
food that had
Fallen
fallen in the floor.
on the floor.
In the
Oke.
fallen.
Iya, pernah makan yang udah jatuh, makanan udah jatuh, ya. Cool. Next cell. Ini nggak benar. Nah, cell. Pick the person.
Yes, sir. Arya, sir.
Arya.
Oh ya. Yes, sir.
Tanya dulu lah, cell. Have you ever? Coba cell. Have you ever?
Have you ever used atau use?
Use pakai D, tapi dia nggak dibaca use, tetap use. Have you
Use,
ever
right?
used?
Have you ever used someone else toothbrush?
Toothbrush.
Toothbrush.
Yes, I have ever used someone else's toothbrush.
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 Yeah, cool. So yeah, you can say I have ever used someone else's toothbrush. Well, so what you use now is about have you ever? Yes, I have ever. Tadi pakai kata kerja ketiga. Nah, those are the sample of the use of the present perfect. Itu contoh penggunaan dari present perfect-nya. Let's move to this one. Oh ya, kita coba masuk ke sini. Masuk ke games ya. No. Maybe this one. Wait a second. Nah, this one. So it's all about the present perfect. Jadi yang kalian pakai tadi itu berhubungan dengan present perfect. Nah, look, we use the present perfect to talk about experience without specifying when exactly it happened. Jadi tadi, yes, I have ever picked my nose. Yes, saya pernah ngupil. So you can use that one. Have ever means pernah, right? So for that one, use the present perfect. Nah, contohnya kayak tadi misalnya, yes, I have ever used someone else toothbrush. That's the present perfect. Jadi poin dari present perfect itu, nah strukturnya ini. So you have the subject, terus tadi pakai have atau has, kemudian verb 3. That's simple. So I have eaten. She has gone. So ada subjek, ada has atau have, kemudian pakai verb 3. Kalau bentuk negatifnya tinggal tambahin not-nya. Untuk pertanyaannya kayak tadi, have you walked, have you eaten, atau have you pick your nose, whatever. Yang kayak gitu. So that's about the present perfect tense. Nah, look at this one. Ini jawabannya apa? Peter pakai apa? Pakai have atau pakai has?
Pakai
Has.
Yes, cool. Pakai has. Benar. Pakai has. Karena di sini Peter, kalau dia satu pakai has. Oh, oke. Nah, ini tadi dia penggunaan katanya harus menggunakan kata kerja yang ketiga, past participle. Jangan lupa setelah kata have atau has harus diikuti past participle. What about this one?
We have
We have.
we have
We have not or we have?
we haven't not
Yeah, we have not or we haven't. Yeah, we haven't. Oh ya, visitednya belum. Dia pakai we haven't visited. Oke? Okay? Nah,
do you
now,
remember
yeah, we don't talk about this one, Bang. Now, do you know what is the difference between the, ini gimana pindahnya ya? We don't talk about this one. Kita masuk ke sini. Nah, we don't talk about
Oh, laptopnya.
Now, so we talk about this one. Oh, not this one.
Yes, Ethan.
Yeah. Now, so as I told you that today we are going to talk about the difference between the past simple and present perfect tense. Kalau past simple itu bedanya apa sih dengan present perfect? Oh, sama-sama kejadiannya udah berlalu, kayak gitu kan? Nah, terus bedanya apa? Let's look at this sentence. Misalnya, we live in Japan from 1995 to 1998. We live in Japan. Jadi dia tinggalnya di Jepang from 1998 to 1999. The question is, pertanyaannya, sekarang dia masih tinggal di Jepang atau enggak?
Enggak, sir.
Enggak, sir.
Ya. Kalau kalimat ini, we live in Japan from 1998 to from 1995 to 1998. Nah, the fact bahwa sekarang dia tidak tinggal di Jepang. Nah, dia tinggal di Jepangnya dari 98 sampai 95. Now, no longer live there. Sekarang nggak tinggal lagi di sana. Nah, karena kejadiannya di masa lalu, like in 1995 to 1998, maka dia menggunakan ini pakai kata kerja yang kedua. Nah, di sini dia pakai past tense. But look at another example. I have worked. Ini I have ya, pakai kontraksi ini. I have worked as a teacher since 2011. Since here means sejak. Nah, kalau di sini dia masih kerja nggak sekarang sebagai teacher? Kalau kalimat yang ini.
Masih, sir.
Masih, sir.
Nah, so that's the difference. When you like to refer to activity which is still related to the current condition, ya, ketika kegiatannya masih berhubungan dengan yang sekarang, then you can use the present perfect. Kalau misalnya saya bilang, saya udah pernah ke Jepang sekali, itu pakai past tense atau pakai present perfect?
Sustain.
Nah, listen to my question. Listen to my statement. Saya pernah ke Jepang satu kali. Saya pernah mengunjungi Jepang satu kali.
Present perfect, sir.
Present perfect, yes, true. Pakai present perfect. Kenapa pakai present perfect? Tunggu, saya ini gimana ininya ya? Saya pakai ini. Saya mau sharing ini. Sebentar ya. Let me share this one. Let me post this. Let me share again. Wait a second. Stop share. I want to share another one. Now, look at this one. Saya pernah mengunjungi. Can you see my screen? Jepang.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Dengan kalimat yang another one is nenek saya mengunjungi Jepang satu kali. Nah, this one is different. Ini dua kalimat yang berbeda. Kalau konteksnya di sini, saya pernah mengunjungi Jepang satu kali, dia pakai present perfect. Karena masih ada kemungkinan untuk bisa, do this, do visit Japan for the second time and the next time. So this one, I have ever visited, saya kata kerja ketiga, visited
Once.
Japan once. Nah, kalau yang ini, kalau misalnya neneknya sudah meninggal, I'm sorry to say, misalnya my grandma has, nggak pakainya visited, karena neneknya udah meninggal. Kalau misalnya pakai my late grandma, almarhum nenekku, my late grandma, almarhumah nenekku, visited Japan once. This is two different context. Oke? Kalau misalnya dia mau bilang, saya pergi ke Jepang tahun 2010. Nah, kalau saya pergi ke Jepang tahun 2010 ini pakai apa? Past tense or present perfect? Past tense. Oke,
Past tense.
Iya, karena di sini kan dia 2010 sudah lewat. So for this one you say I went, saya kata kerja kedua. I went to Japan
Go to
in
Japan.
2010. That's the difference. Atau misalnya seperti saya, what about this one? Saya belum pernah makan pizza.
Perfect.
Present perfect.
Iya, pakai present perfect. Jadinya apa? I have,
I have
Not.
not.
pakai never. Kalau tadi pernah, ever, never tidak pernah.
I have never
Oke, I have
eaten
never
pizza.
eaten
Eaten pizza.
pizza. Kayak gitu. So, it's not difficult. Tahu misalnya kalian juga bisa buat, oh nih, ini paling sering misalnya udah siap tugas, udah siap PR. How do you say it? Itu pakai present perfect atau pakai past tense? Apakah kamu sudah siap PR? Sudah siap PR?
Present
Present perfect. Then how you say it in English? Pakai present perfect. Pakai apa?
Yes,
Have
present perfect.
You
Have you
siap
finished?
PR? Finish.
Finish it. Finish it.
Ya, finish pakai ini.
Your
Finish your assignment atau homework. Bisa. Ya, atau assignment, sorry, my bad. Assignment atau homework. Itu udah siap PR, so you use that one. Oke? Nggak susah kan, present perfect ini? Itu aja. So, that's all for today. Any questions? No questions?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So, therefore it's clear then, if you have no questions, yeah, let's just wrap it up. So, I think that's all for today. Thank you for, thank you for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks, sir.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.